How to enable notification history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to view notifications you may have missed or accidentally dismissed. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Notifications from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Notification History near the top of the screen. At this point, turn on the toggle next to Use Notification History to enable it. In the next step, close Settings once the toggle is turned on. Following this, come back to this same screen anytime you want to view past notifications, including ones you've dismissed. Once done, tap on any listed app to expand and see its individual past notifications. Keep in mind, notification history only starts recording from the moment you enable it, so past notifications before that won't appear. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn notification history on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable notification history on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.